And welcome to our next tutorial for Sweetwater County School District Number 1 staff. Today's tutorial will cover working with your Cisco VPN, establishing that connection, as well as opening and establishing your connection with Cisco Jabber so that you may make phone calls internally and externally. The first thing we're going to do is click on the Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client. You may drag this from your applications folder to your dock for easy access. Once this window comes up, we're going to click Connect. And from here, we will type in our Active Directory password or your email password. After we see that we have our VPN tunnel connected, we're going to go ahead and click on our Jabber icon down in the bottom. Again, you can drag that to your dock from your applications folder. From here, you have a few different options. You can initiate chats with other staff. You can simply search for them and click on the chat icon to the right of their name if they're internal, or click on the call icon if you'd like to call them. If you know their exact extension, you can just dial the extension in and click and call them there. And then finally, if you'd like to make external calls, you'll just start by dialing 9 and then the phone number you would like to use. When you're to the end of your day and ready to quit for the day, go ahead and close Jabber. You'll want to quit out of Jabber completely. And you will also want to disconnect your VPN client. And finally, it's best practice to shut your machine down each night so that it has a chance to reset and refresh ready for the next workday. Thank you and have a great weekend.